Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the latest Mac Mini from 2024 with the M4 chip, and I'm going to show you how can you easily activate Mac after a hard reset if you want to select your Wi-Fi network and there is no Wi-Fi network list. So the only solution is just to plug in your Ethernet cable straight into your Mac. You just have to bring yourself this cable over here, plug it into your router, your internet, and to your Mac. Your internet port is over here, as you can see. So we have to plug in our cable. Now we have to restart our Mac by clicking on Restart. And now you are rescued. It's because you can reinstall your system, Mac system. Now we have to wait a moment. As you can see, there's a circle over there right now. Let me zoom it in for you. And now, as you can see, your Mac is activated. It will restart in 50 seconds. Now we have to click Restart. And now you're rescued. You can reinstall your system. That's it. Always helps you. Goodbye.